The countdown is on. Starting at 11:59 tonight, masks will no longer be required at most indoor places in Washington. Good morning and thank you for starting your day with us. I'm Emily Bloom. Robin Nance and Derek Dice will be back next week. This isn't the first time masks have been able to come off in the state due to lower COVID case numbers. Destiny Richards is in studio to give us a look at the timeline for mask requirements in Washington over the past 2 years.
Well, at the start of the pandemic, we did not have a vaccine for COVID-19. Staying home as much as possible, social distancing and wearing masks were our only means of protection. But masks weren't required by the state until June 2020. COVID cases were rising across the state and hospitals were filling up fast. That's why Governor Inslee issued the first statewide mandate for indoor and crowded outdoor areas. Almost a year later, in May 2021, the Washington State Department of Health adopted new guidance from the CDC, and the mask mandate was lifted. People fully vaccinated no longer need to wear masks in most indoor settings and outdoor spaces. This happened shortly before plans to reopen the state's economy. Businesses like movie theaters and restaurants could reopen at full capacity at the end of June. Then come August 2021, Washingtonians were required to mask up once again, regardless of vaccination status. This is the mask mandate we've been living with for nearly 7 months now, due to the Delta variant fueling a rise in COVID cases and hospitalizations. We've also seen the spread of the Omicron variant, and the vaccination rate in Washington was just unable to keep up. Just over 2 years into the pandemic now, we're seeing another downtrend in COVID cases and hospitalizations. And starting tomorrow, masks will no longer be required for anyone in most indoor spaces. It was first announced the mandate would be lifted nearly a week from now, but the new date is based on new guidance from the CDC. Coming up later, I'll share what places you'll soon be able to go mask-free and where masks will still be required. In studio, I'm Destiny Richards for News Now.